Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is over there taking a nap, as she usually does during these videos. Today, we are super excited. It is Halloween season. I don't think I've been this excited since last Halloween season, obviously. It's the best time of year, my favorite time, a lot of people's favorite time. So I'm gonna make a cocktail today, a Halloween-themed cocktail, a Disney villain Halloween-themed cocktail. You can probably tell by the shirt that I'm wearing, it is Ursula themed. It is Ursula's Sea Witch's Brew. And I've never had this before, I've never attempted it, but we'll see what's in it. We'll see what we have with it. It's vodka, there's vodka in it. Actually, it called for grape schnapps. Schnapps, if I can say that. Is that how you say it, schnapps? Sophie? Schnappy, Stuckers, swap, snop, shoppy. I don't know, something like that. Schnapps. The snooker and shop, snop, schwappy. I can't say that. That's actually from the Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Anyway, I couldn't find grape schnapps. That is really hard. That is really difficult. So what I did is I got blackberry brandy instead because I figure it'll still give it the purple color, and that's what they're going for there. I personally like blackberry better than grape anyway, so we'll see what happens. It's very simple, 4 ingredients. It's after our favorite sea witch, Ursula, from Walt Disney's The Little Mermaid. That was perfect for Halloween season, kind of an oceanic Halloween theme, which is always fantastic as well. So yes, let's get to it. I'll figure out how to say schnapps. I'll figure out how to talk at all, actually. I can't seem to make my mouth move. Anyway, that's always a hard one for me, schnapps. So I should have just said, I'm using blackberry brandy and quit right there. You would have never known. Alrighty, let's get to it. I'll go up to the table there and we'll start. Okay, and one last thing. I think I finally have it. It's the Snooker, Ye Olde Snooker and Schnapps Shop. It's not Shoppe. It's not S. It's S-H-O-P-P-E. Then there's no E. I mean, it's the E is a silent E. It's just that's the way they spell it. It's still just shop. So this is from Walt Disney's Adventures of Ichabod and Mr. Toad. Brown Bones and the Boys' favorite place to hang out. Ye Olde Snooker and Schnapps Shop. And Sophie's growling in the background for some reason. I guess she's not a fan of the place. And I always wondered, why don't they have that at Walt Disney World? I mean, they have the new Pirate Bar, but Sleepy Hollow, Liberty Square, that would be perfect. And I think it would be very popular. So yes, one last time, I was gonna say it right. Ye Olde Snooker and Schnapps Shop from Walt Disney's Adventures of Ichabod and Mr. Toad. Thank you. All right, so this is so easy, even I can do it. First, in our Twilight Zone Tower of Terror shot glass, we're gonna do 2 parts vodka. So this is gonna be sort of strong, I guess. I guess you could do 1 part if you wanted. But why would you want to do that? And then 2 parts blackberry brandy. Not grape schnapps. Hey, I actually said it. Then a splash, it just says a splash, of sweet and sour mix. Is that a splash? Sure. That is a splash. All right, since we don't have a thunderbolt to mix it well, we're gonna do it in the handy dandy shaker here. So shake that up. Don't spill it. I feel some spilling already. Why is that spilling? All right, then we're gonna pour it to our martini glass. And And then you can top it with a little bit of Sprite or ginger, or not ginger ale, Sprite or 7-Up. I actually got the Sprite Zero Sugar because it tastes exactly the same as far as you know. Just a little bit. And there you have it. You know how easy that was? Ursula's Sea Witch's Brew. Okay, now it is time to try this. Probably shouldn't have filled it up so much because I'm afraid I'm going to spill it, but there it is. Perfect cocktail for your Halloween party. Or just any time of the year. But especially your Halloween party. All right, Ursula's Sea Witch's Brew. Halloween cocktail. I'm just making that part up, but okay, here we go. I'm gonna try it. It's so easy. Four ingredients. Wow. Very strong. Very strong. Oh my gosh, the blackberry is delicious in this. I'm sure the grape is as well. The grape might give it more of a purple color. This is sort of reddish purple, but that's perfect for Halloween, right? Yeah, this is fantastic. Very delicious. It goes down easy too. That's the only thing. You gotta be careful with these. They go down very easy, but you know what? It's Halloween. You know, you're gonna go nuts anyway, right? Fantastic. Thank you, Ursula. Thank you for this. I'm sure she drank these every night. That's why she was so cranky. I don't know. All right. This is fantastic. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. I'll definitely make these on Halloween because I always like easy drinks. Anything that takes like 15 ingredients, and by the time you get done with it, you don't even want it at that point sometimes. So this is easy for, well, I would still want it. I'm just kidding. 4 ingredients, Halloween night or anytime during the month of October. Get this out. Your friends come over. Say, hey, look at this. Happy Halloween. Disney villains all the way. Okay. Fantastic. Perfect. I almost spilled it. See, it was a little too full. All right. 8 out of 10. Happy Halloween. Okay, well, if you like this video, you can subscribe. If you didn't like it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does. She's doing it right now. You can also hit the like button. You can leave a comment. Hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween season.